Day one of the hackathon. The first thing I build when I do a project is the UI. The reason I do that is because, it's easy when you have all the data there to figure out what is needed, what is not needed. And to tell you the truth, I over-engineer. Sometimes I over-engineer and I keep building stuff that no one wants. What I'm going to do is I'm going to build the first version of the UI. Maybe it will change later, but it should have every single input that I will need, and we'll take it from there. I'm using TailwindCSS, which is epic. It's very easy to create your website. The way I start is by drawing on paper first. I'm not using Figma, I'm not using an iPad. My idea for the NFT ticketing platform is that there is one tagline and then you can create your NFT ticket immediately, like first page, no login, nothing at all, right there. Not connecting wallets, nothing at all. Let's create an index HTML and start putting some components from Tailwind. Something interesting is that when I'm prototyping, what I do is I use Tailwind directly from CDN. I'm not using any Webpack, nothing at all. As I said, I need to do a very fast prototype to make sure that all the data is there, that the experience is kind of working. Using Tailwind CSS, it's super easy. You just find the component that you want, you copy it, you paste it inside your code, and bam, you're almost there. So you see, I already have a page with a tagline, whatever, we're going to work on that. And what I want to do on the side where there is this image, I want to change it. And I want to put the form. At least that was my original idea. As you will see, I didn't do that. Like I did that, and then I'm like, oh, this is terrible, it doesn't work. And I had to redo it. So yeah. The other thing I did is I wrote down everything that this NFT will need. We need a title, a description, a quantity, start date, an end date. It will need, obviously, an image. And of course, it will need a price and an email. These are the data that I will need to send. Pretty okay, but it doesn't really work as expected because for smaller screens, there is a huge issue. The form is too big and breaks, and if I try to, it doesn't look nice. Like it doesn't look nice, and I tried for a long time to fix it. Didn't look nice, and I'm like, okay, I have the data, could move forward, but it's over engineering. And it was, I think, like 12 o'clock at night, and I'm like, sleep is for losers. Let's keep playing around with Tailwind CSS, wasting our life. So I changed a little bit the format, and now it's one page, the tagline on top, and the form right below, which was literally the original idea. I don't know why I did all that. And then you can create your NFT ticket immediately, like first page, no login, nothing at all, right there. Not connecting wallets, nothing at all. No idea. No idea. What I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm going to install Flask, which is a Python framework. I'm going to install Alpine.js, and I'm going to start connecting the frontend with the backend. My idea is that I should be able to create an NFT in Web 2. Like, there's no smart contracts yet. This is a couple of days later, but this flow should work. See you tomorrow. Yeah, wow, no, don't go. Subscribe to the channel, like it, leave a comment, do all this hipster YouTube stuff so you follow along what's happening. Follow me on Twitter, I'll keep posting designs, please. Make your comments and say this sucks, no, change this color or whatever. And I'm looking also for a name. Maybe I'm looking for a name, I don't know, we'll see. That's all from me, see you tomorrow.